The drugs destroyed in Lagos, the National Drug Law Enforcement Agency in Abuja is seeking a coordinated approach at combating the menace of drug abuse and human trafficking. This call was made at a workshop on the twin issues where key players underscored their place of intensified advocacy in prevention of the crimes and rehabilitation of victims. TVC News correspondent Joke Adisa reports.
The National Drug Law Enforcement Agency last week busted a cocaine warehouse in Lagos containing crack worth an estimated 193 billion naira. A national drug use survey in 2018 found out that 40.3 million Nigerians between 15 and 64 years use psychoactive substances. Experts say human trafficking is a $150 billion per year industry in Nigeria, with $99 billion from sexual exploitation. This one-day workshop on drug abuse and human trafficking prevention campaign is aimed at training the trainers on the ease of the menace while taking the sensitization train to the grassroots.
Research has shown that more than 40% of human traffickers force their victims to smuggle drugs across borders. And this means that apart from the victims who are already addicted to drug abuse, human traffickers use drugs as a bait.
It takes a village to raise a child. It takes the same village to model healthy life skills and also caution the youth on the futility of a life of drug and crime.
For the NDLEA, the drug menace cuts across all ages, religions, socioeconomic status, gender, and regions.
Drug control is a shared responsibility, and every facet of the society must take ownership. Hence, the need for greater community involvement by building strong partnerships with all sectors of the society.
On the list of resource persons here is 36-year-old David Folaranmi, a rehabilitated drug addict. From the age of 25 in 2011, he was in the throes of drug abuse for 7 years and lost virtually everything. But through his mother's support, he did not lose his life. Today, he leads the campaign against drug trafficking and abuse. Arising from the outcome of its findings, this group is set for an outreach in Pape, a suburb of the nation's capital, on the menace of drug abuse. Its hope is that the intervention will save many of the nation's future leaders from the consequences of drug abuse. Joke Adisa, TVC News.